This video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft Word for free on your Mac. So I am on a Mac here, and if I want to use Word, there's a couple ways to do it, but I like doing it this way because it's free, it's simple, and it's very easy to use. So what you want to do is go open up a web browser. I like using Google Chrome myself. And what you can do is just type in Word 365 and go to where it says office.com and just go ahead and log into that. So once you're logged in, to your Google account, you'll have to verify your email like a bunch of other things here. I'm just going to X out of this stuff, all this crud over here. So what you're going to do is this is a free version. You'll be able to use a lot of their apps that Google has themselves, but for this example, we can just go into Word. So go ahead and go into Word. I'm just going to make a blank document here as you see it highlighted here. And then it will bring up Word, and this has a lot of features that a lot of people are going to need. Very basic, very to the point. It's not overly complicated to use. So I can just type in anything here. I don't know why I'm thinking about this, but I like to eat bacon. What about you? Question mark. And look at that. I spelled bacon eat wrong. So from this point, once you have your document set and you want to export it or you want to save it or anything like that. So for Mac it's very easy to do. So what you want to do is go over to File and then go down to where you say create a copy. This will let you download a copy to your computer, to your Mac, and that way you have a copy of it once you're done your document, anything that you want to do. So really simple, you can download a copy, then it'll ask you to confirm. You go ahead and download a copy, and you'll see a download. I will X out of this. It always tries to get you to buy stuff, and it gives you an opportunity to see what it looks like, but it will also be in your downloads. So if I go to my downloads at the top left here, you'll see it here, right here, saying document one, and that's the document. So it's really easy to make your document, to export it, and have it as a doc file on your computer. And that's how you would go about using and getting Microsoft Word on your Mac. So I hope you guys found this useful and helpful and easy to use, and we'll see you in the next video.